France 24's Olivia Bizot is there. The decision dropping moments ago.
Hi, Francois. Yes, that's right. I'm here in front of the Conseil Constitutionnel with lots of journalists as the news has just broken. The 9 members, of the Conseil Constitutionnel have accepted the most controversial part of President Emmanuel Macron's pension reform plan, and that's to raise the retirement age from 62 to 64. Now, as expected, the Conseil hasn't accepted the whole bill. They have cherry-picked certain aspects of it, but the most unpopular part, the retirement age, is set to be signed into law. Now, lots of people are going to be very angry about that. They've been protesting against this change happening since January. And as you can see behind me, there is a strong police presence in front of the Conseil Constitutionnel. You can't see many police officers here, but there are lots in the area. Protests have been forbidden in this particular area of Paris, even though other protests, as you mentioned, are taking place in other parts of the capital. Now, as you can see, there are anti-riot barricades in front of the building. Earlier, we saw police officers on the roof. There are lots of police vehicles. Roads have been blocked. Now, this is highly unusual for the Conseil Constitutionnel. Usually, they're a symbol of peace in France, and its 9 members are known as les sages, the wise ones, and they're usually, not the centre of the political stage. They usually operate sort of behind the scenes, and their role is, in theory, supposed to be just a legal one. So they're not expected to this sort of media frenzy and security presence in front.
Olivia, images outside of Paris's City Hall, which is some 20 blocks away from where you are right now. And there they are rallying, as they are in 130 places at least across the country. This Friday's not over yet.
No, the fight is definitely not over. This is not the end of the pension reform saga. Protests are expected, as you said, in 130 locations. Protests are taking place in Paris. As we speak, the unions are discussing. They're going to publish a communiqué shortly about what their the next course of action will be. They're going to be meeting with President Macron on Tuesday as well. So definitely this is not the end. This is not the end of the fight. Unions are expected to push for people for the protests to continue. So yes, it's not the end.